Now this is 5 of them combined. Oh, okay. Kamasi, always with you. And maintenance tip card. So by the way guys, these 5 bracelets are made of stainless steel, hypoallergenic, non-fading, and non-peeling. So this is bracelet number 1, and this is how it looks. So this is bracelet number 2. Now this is bracelet number 3. Now this is the 4th bracelet. Now this is the 5th one. Now this is 5 of them combined. And look at that. Ang kintab nila lahat. So sa mga nagsasabi dyan na stainless steel gold lang naman yan, hindi naman yan totoong gold. Guys, when it comes to fashion, it's not always about the price tag. And for me, sulit buy na to kasi meron ka ng 5 bracelet in 1 buy lang. So kung naghahanap ka ng bracelet na may iba't ibang design, try mo to. Pwede mo siyang ilagay ng 3 lang, 2 lang, isa-isa, and pwede ring 5. So if you're curious about the product, you can just check in the link below.